Yeah, welcome to my channel today. Today we'll be solving our daily muscle code, a daily Cipher muscle code. So the word for today is whale. Whale is someone who has a large amount of cryptocurrency. So that's what they call whale. So the word, the alphabet and the spelling are WHELE. So for the word for the alphabet W is short tab, long tab, long tab. Let's apply that. Short tab, long tab, long tab. So we have the W. For H, we have short tab, short tab, short tab, short tab. As for H, so the A is short tab, long tab. For the L is short tab, long tab, short tab, long tab. We have the E. So for the E now, we have short tab, and then we are good to go. So just click on take your price, and then you're good. Good job. See you. Yeah. So thank you. Come back tomorrow for the next poll. Thank you very much. God bless you.